One of the great holiday treats on the Suncoast is a Motown Christmas. It's at the West Coast Black Theater, but sadly, the show always sells out, and this season it is completely sold out. There are no more tickets left this year. So we have a very special treat for those of you who missed out. This is Tara Connor-Jones and the West Coast Black Theater Troupe singing one of the songs from the show that just gets everybody on their feet. I Heard It Through the Grapevine. Take it away.
Yeah. Ooh, I bet you're wondering how I knew. Baby, 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 about your plans to make me blue. Hey, with some of the girls you knew before. Between the two of us, girls, you know I loved you more. It took me by surprise, I must say, when I found out yesterday. Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine?
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Not much longer will you be mine.
Not much longer will you be mine.
Oh,
I heard it through the grapevine.
I'm just
about to lose my mind.
Hey, yes,
oh, yes, I am.
yes, hey, yes,
oh, yes, I am. Yes, I
am. Take a good look at these tears in my eyes. Baby, baby, these tears I can't hold inside. Losing you within my life, you see, because you mean that much to me. You could have told me yourself that you found somebody else. Instead, I heard it through the grapevine.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Not much longer will you be
Not
mine.
much longer will you be
Hey,
mine.
I heard it through the grapevine.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
I'm just about to lose
my mind. Oh, yes, I am.
Oh, yes, baby. Yes,
oh, yes, I am.
Yes, yeah. I
heard it.
Hey.
Heard it through the grapevine.
Heard it through the grapevine.
Heard it through the
Hey,
grapevine.
you know I heard it.
Heard it.
Yeah.
Heard it through the grapevine.
Heard it through the grapevine.
Heard it through the grapevine.
Hey, yes,
oh, yes, I am.
Oh, yes, baby. Yes, I
oh,
am.
yes, I am.
Yes, baby. Yes,
oh, yes, I am.
Ooh, yeah. Yes,
oh, yes, I am.
Yes, I am. I
heard it.
Wow, that was awesome. Everybody in the theater was on their feet many times. But
yeah,
for the people who missed out because they didn't get their tickets early enough, what's coming next, Nate?
Well, we opened the Mountaintop, which is Katora Hall's great show. We're very excited about this. Is our first piece on Martin Luther King. It's his last night before he gets assassinated. Very powerful piece. And so that's the next show in the season. And then we have MLK celebration on January 15th at Booker High School, 7:30 that evening. So it's going to be a very exciting, powerful evening as well. So invite you out.
January
Hope the community.
Is a good month.
Yeah, it is. Exciting month.
You really want to see this show. Mountaintop runs from January 10th through February 18th. And now you know how fast these shows sell out, so get in that line and get your tickets
to the box office.
now. Run! You can go to the West Coast Black Theater website, too, so you don't really have to run. Next, Moat Aquarium is here to teach us about sea debris.